Hi, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to work on the build form page, because currently what we have here in the build form page is, so this is the website currently. When we click on go to build page, this is the current state of the build form page. You see the URL? That URL is that one. Let me minimize the terminal. This URL. So build form, which is connected to build form page. This page in here, this is a string that we are seeing on that page. I'm the build form page, so it's just a string. Let's return a template instead. Let's call it build form page.html, and then go to templates. By the way, I uploaded in my project files here the drawing that I made, so we can have it here on the side, so we can refer to it as we built the form page. But back to the templates, I was saying that here now, just like we have index.html, we want to have another template, which we decided to call build form page.html. So make sure that name there is the same as that one in there, including the extension HTML. And then here, again in the body, we said that we want to add a page title, but don't confuse this title. This title is usually shown on the browser address bar. The title we're talking about is the title shown in the body, so the first text that the users may want to see. Let's say h2 the build form, and the description with a paragraph p, fill in the form and click the button to get the results. Right, let's refresh. Okay, so the build form, the title, and this fill in the form. Right, now what we need to do is we need to add a form here somehow. Let's do that in the next video. See you.